Yo, I just got home from work. I haven't even taken a shower yet. I'm a triage nurse and I work with patients all day, so usually I would just take a shower right away, but I was just too fucking excited to get these in the mail. I was blessed enough to hit on the sneakers app for once. I always miss out or I lose, take the L, whatever you want to call it, but God blessed me with these ones. So these shoes were always out of reach for me. Thing of legend. But they recently retroed and just took my chances and I got them. Alright, I'm gonna just give you a little sneak peek. I haven't even opened the box yet. Here's a little sneak preview right here. Air Trainer 3 Quick Strike. What colorway is the highly anticipated? I can only think of two off the top of my head that are really popular. First being the medicine balls. The second one, there you go. The Viotech retail US dollars, $130. I was able to apply my healthcare discount, 20% off of this after. So I got hooked up, man. Got really hooked up. And, anyways, I'm just quit talking. Just gonna open this fucking box. Enough waiting around. Oh, Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. Oof. Damn. You can see it comes in the classic orange Nike box. Nothing special about this box. But it really don't matter what's in the box. What's the box that looks like. It's what's in the box here. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Damn. So I've never had the original, so I don't really know what to kind of like, just have a baseline of comparison. But from what I see, the colors are vibrant. I actually seen these in real life. I've seen the OGs in real life a long time ago. It was probably like, I want to say like 2004 or some shit when I last saw them. But you can see just some up close, some small scuffs, stuff like that. I'll give them a nice little wipe down. So here's the sole right here. It's not really a review, just like unboxing, so they can get a look at what they look like. A couple pairs turned out on eBay. People, these shoes went straight to StockX. They were going for like anywhere between like $220 and I seen sales up to like $350, which is ridiculous for this shoe, honestly. But I think prices are gonna come down a little bit. Some boutiques are gonna get them eventually. But what strikes me is that on eBay, there wasn't really that many pairs on eBay. So I'm thinking, I don't really know how many numbers were produced or whatever, but it doesn't matter. This is for my collection. This is for something for me. They're going straight to feet for sure. Just all the recent releases on sneakers have been really just shoes in general, like kind of like semi-hype shoes have been selling out. Like people have been getting their stimulus checks, they're at home, they're online shopping. Like the shoe game changed, man. They got fucking bots, yo. Bots are ruining the fucking sneaker game and making it shit really hard for those manual coppers to get shoes. But whatever. I took my chances and I got blessed. And yeah, this is a great summer shoe. Just look at the fucking colors, yo. Yellow with the pink and purple, the dark gray. I want to say, I don't know if that's black or navy blue right here, but I can't tell. My lighting is a little bit off. I'm under a white LED light, so it's not really, I don't know. I'll get a chance. This is like my first time seeing them too. I'm literally looking at them like the first time. Same with y'all right here. Come with purple, kind of like a purple. It's actually like a plum color laces. The colors just strike so much though. I love the yellow accents on it. It just looks fucking fire, yo. Quality not too bad on these. See a little bit, I don't know, I can wipe that off some shoe cleaner. You can see a little bit of glue here and there, but that's to be expected. I'm not looking for perfection here. If I'm gonna wear them, then I don't really care, because they're gonna get creased, they're gonna get dirt on them. For me, I wear my shoes and I clean them after if they get scuffed up real bad or get dirt on, I clean them after every wear pretty much. So my shit's like, that's how you keep your shoes fresh. But here we go. Look like on the back, Nike Air in the back. That's what the insoles look like. Men's size 9.5 Nike Air. There we go. Let me give you up close to the leather here. Leather quality. There we go. This leather is nice. This is like what we consider the good leather, like you would find on the good leather of the Jordan 1s. It's not that plastic type of leather. It's like really nice and buttery. It's the real soft here, real supple. I can't really tell you about the sizing yet. I haven't tried them on. Ooh-wee. This is fucking nice, man. Jeez. So yeah. Damn, bro. So nice. That's pretty much it. Be safe out there, fellas.